Grandpa T. Tell me about beers.
What? Eh? Huh?
Huh? Oh, hey, Dear Grandpa Sheep, tell me about beers. Okay, beers are a type of, liquid that people drink and they get, what? Oh, bread! Bread is something that people eat and it's whole, what? Oh, Burton! Burton's a good friend of mine that has a mustache and a, huh? Oh, beards! Beards is something that grows on your chin, and then it's really, really hairy, and the hair is really awesome because then people think you're awesome. And right now the dog's licking my beard. She's in love with the beard. The ladies like the beard. Anyway, beards are unique, passionate, and they're very rare. But beards are getting extinct real fast. That's really sad, huh? Huh? Yes, give me a kiss, honey. Okay, well, beards are... Sorry, I just like passed out. See, I pooped fast.